Whooping cough is a highly infectious bacterial infection of the airways and lungs. Well, really everyone's at risk of contracting whooping cough. It's spread by droplets when people who are infected with the condition cough or sneeze. There is, however, things that we can do to prevent and treat this. So basic hygiene measures, so covering your mouth and nose when you're coughing or sneezing, washing your hands regularly too, common sense things such as wearing a face mask and keeping your distance from others where you can. And it's very important to remember to get your child vaccinated. It's a safe and effective vaccine. The other way to prevent spread is by seeing your GP should you suspect you have symptoms of whooping cough. Because if your GP agrees, they may well give you antibiotics.